Imagine a room stacked wall to wall with SIM cards. 40,000 of them. Hundreds of devices running thousands of fake phone numbers, all rented out to cybercriminals around the world. Now imagine your identity, your phone, your account being the next target. This is the story of SIMCARTEL. And it's far more chilling than you're expecting. Before we dig in, hit subscribe and ring that bell. Because if criminals can rent your number, you need to know how it works. Telecom fraud. We've heard of phishing emails, SIM swaps, hackers breaking in, but this is next level. What if someone could rent thousands of real phone numbers across dozens of countries, use them to create fake online identities, commit scams, extort victims, and vanish before anyone notices? That's exactly what happened. The stakes. People lose money, their identities are compromised, trusted institutions are manipulated, and the backbone of our telecom systems is being weaponized. In October 2025, law enforcement from Austria, Estonia, Finland and Latvia joined forces with Europol and Eurojust in a massive coordinated operation. They executed 26 search warrants in Latvia alone. They found a criminal network codenamed SIMCARTEL, around 1,200 SIM-box devices, 40,000 active SIM cards, and literally hundreds of thousands more cards waiting in store. They also seized 5 servers and took over 2 websites, GoGetSMS.com and Epism.com, which had been renting out phone numbers registered in over 80 countries. Victims? More than 3,200 individual fraud cases already attributed. Losses in Austria. About 4.5 million euros. In Latvia, 420,000 euros. But investigators say the true scale may stretch far beyond these numbers. So how did they do it? First, these SIM boxes allowed the insertion of dozens of SIM cards into a single device. Each card connects to a mobile network and can send, receive messages or calls. By routing through these devices, criminals could mask origin data. Second, the rental service sold real phone numbers, in real people's names, across dozens of countries, making it near impossible to tie the number back to the criminal. These rented numbers were used to sign up for social media, messaging apps, bank accounts, creating fake identities at scale. Third, the criminals launched phishing campaigns, smishing, SMS phishing, WhatsApp scams, posing as a daughter, son with a new number asking for emergency funds, fake investment platforms, fake shops, impersonation of police. All built on the foundation of numbers they could trust and discard. In short, they built a crime as a service platform where your phone number, your identity, your trust was the product. And it didn't stop at phone scams. The infrastructure supported a global network, more than 49 million online accounts created through the service. Criminals were now anonymous, networked, and scalable. They could spin up fake identities like dials on a machine. Law enforcement found 431,000 euros frozen in bank accounts, around $333,000 in crypto wallets, and 4 luxury vehicles seized. The motive? Money, of course, but also power. Controlling identities, controlling communication. From smuggling migrants to distributing CSAM to impersonating law enforcers, the rented SIM operation was facilitating some of the most dangerous underground services. Essentially, they weren't just renting phone numbers, they were renting credibility and access. And here's the twist. While the visible arrests happened, 5 Latvian nationals and 2 more suspects, investigators say this is just the tip of the iceberg. The websites went offline, the servers seized, but countless fake accounts are already out there. Your phone number could be next. Because these services thrive on anonymity, and once the infrastructure is out there, it can be reused, re-rented, repurposed. And the worst part, every one of us is potentially vulnerable. Your SIM card, your number, your trust in a message or a call, all weaponized on a global scale. What the SIMCARTEL takedown shows us is this. Identity is the new battleground. Not just your password, your phone number, your SIM card, your trust in one-time codes, your belief that a new number text is real. If criminals can rent a number, create a fake identity, and launch a scam from it, the defense must evolve too. So what can you do? Use multi-factor authentication not just with SMS, use app-based codes, monitor your phone account, question any unusual message demanding quick cash. If you found this eye-opening, hit like, share with someone who still thinks, it won't happen to me, and subscribe to CyberNews AI for more real-world cyber incidents, broken down, exposed, and framed for the threat you need to know. Until next time, stay alert.